Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate milkshake right at home. It's super easy and only requires a few simple ingredients you likely already have. We'll start by gathering everything we need to create this classic treat. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up a rich, creamy, and satisfying chocolate milkshake that tastes even better than store-bought versions. Let's get started on this delightful journey. Now that we have all our wonderful ingredients ready, it's time for the magic to happen in the blender. Carefully pour in your 2 cups of milk, 3 scoops of chocolate ice cream, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and your desired amount of sugar. Don't forget that dash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Start on a low speed, then gradually increase it, blending for about 30 to 60 seconds until it's wonderfully smooth and thick. You're almost there. This is where you can truly make your chocolate milkshake your own. While it's delicious as is, adding toppings can elevate it to a whole new level. Think about a generous swirl of whipped cream, a drizzle of rich chocolate syrup, or a sprinkle of colorful candies. A bright red cherry on top always adds a festive touch. Feel free to experiment with different chocolate varieties or even a tiny pinch of cinnamon for a unique twist. Get creative and have fun. Congratulations, you've just created a fantastic homemade chocolate milkshake. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your masterpiece. Carefully pour the thick, creamy concoction into a tall, chilled glass. For the ultimate experience, serve it immediately while it's perfectly cold. You can even add a straw and a long spoon for those delightful last sips. Share this wonderful treat with loved ones, or simply savor every single sip yourself. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.